I am Nate Delson, co-founder of eGrove Education. I want to share with you a low-cost, hands-on activity for teaching orthographic projections. We start with a plastic box with some snap cubes taped to the bottom. A pair of students creates their own 3D shape and inserts it into the box. They use an erasable marker to draw the side views onto the box. They also draw the top view. And for any hidden lines, they draw dashed lines. They complete drawing all of the side views. At this point, they give their solution to the instructor for checking. Then they remove the inside shape and hide it. At this point, they give the empty box with the orthographic projections to another pair of students. These students have to build out of snap cubes the 3D shape that was originally created. I have seen how students become so engaged with this activity, building more complex shapes to challenge their classmates. The total cost of this box with the snap cubes is just $1 in parts. To get the instructions for running this activity, along with other activities and links to Amazon for purchasing the parts, please sign up for a teacher account at www.egrove.education. Thank you for listening.